We have a Samsung news, and they are very interesting and I think very good for Samsung. So this is the Sam Mobile website, and actually I was surprised about this news, so they should be accurate. So what we have here, so we have the Galaxy Tab S7 series sold out after 1 day of pre-orders. This is very, very good, and actually I'm surprised because usually Samsung, they don't sell a lot of tablets. For the past couple of years, they sell tablets, but they don't sell a lot. And we don't have excitements. We don't have something like Apple products, like Apple iPad Pro. That's why people like the Apple iPad Pro, because obviously the ecosystem, and also it's a good tablet. But Android tablets don't sell a lot because obviously you need to have all the 5 statements to have a good tablet: good display, good performance, and so on. But this is interesting for Samsung because they don't sell tablets a lot, but this is good news. So they have 2 models. So we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab 7 11-inch. Also we have the Galaxy Tab 7 Plus with 12.4-inch, and the specs are the same. But this is interesting for Samsung, and I am actually surprised that this is good, and I'm happy for them, obviously, because like I said, Samsung don't sell a lot of tablets, and now I think this is gonna change, because who is the iPad king? Obviously Apple. Apple sells a lot of iPads for the past couple of years, since I remember, because they're good. But the Android situation is not good because they don't have this excitement. And if I'm honest with you, the Android after 2 years, the tablet is not good. It just doesn't support any more updates. And I can say that because I own the Galaxy Tab S3. I know it's an old tablet, but now it's not good, doesn't work properly. Like, doesn't get any updates. But interestingly, Samsung now will support with 3 years updates, which this is a very good plus for you if you decide to buy Android tablet. And I think this is a very good plus because obviously you want to spend a lot of money, and the tablet should work at least 5-6 years as Apple do. And that's why people buying the Apple products, because they operate very good and they support with further updates, which Samsung cannot do that. But now 3 years, I think it's better than 2 years, obviously 1 year. And this is a good, I'm happy for Samsung. So yeah, Galaxy Tab S7 series sold out after 1 day. Do you remember this, if this has happened before? I don't think so, but yeah, happy for Samsung. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. I hope we have a good tablet. Obviously the screen is good. We have the latest processor from Snapdragon, which is good. So we'll see what's gonna happen.